Have you ever found yourself in a financial pinch, desperately needing a quick cash infusion? Perhaps you've considered borrowing money from your savings app, but you're unsure if it's a viable option. Today, we're diving into the question, can you borrow money from Stash? Stash is a popular investment app that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, and other financial instruments. It's known for its user-friendly interface and low minimum investment requirements. But can you also use it as a short-term loan provider? Understanding Stash's purpose. Stash is primarily designed as an investment platform, not a lending institution. Its core purpose is to help you grow your wealth over time, not to provide immediate financial relief. While it offers some additional features, such as fractional shares and automatic investing, borrowing money is not one of them. Examining the alternatives. If you're in need of a loan, there are several other options available to you. Traditional banks, online lenders, and credit unions are all potential sources of funding. These institutions typically offer loans with varying interest rates, terms, and eligibility requirements. Comparing interest rates. One of the most important factors to consider when borrowing money is the interest rate. Traditional banks often have lower interest rates than online lenders, but they may also have stricter approval criteria. Stash, as an investment platform, doesn't offer any loans, so there's no interest rate to compare. Fees and penalties. In addition to interest rates, you should also be aware of any fees or penalties associated with borrowing money. Some lenders may charge origination fees, late fees, or prepayment penalties. Stash, again, doesn't have any of these fees as it doesn't offer loans. Eligibility requirements. To borrow money from a traditional bank, credit union, or online lender, you'll typically need to meet certain eligibility requirements. These may include having a good credit score, a steady income, and a verifiable address. Stash doesn't have any eligibility requirements for borrowing money. The risks of borrowing. Borrowing money can be risky. If you're unable to make your payments on time, you may face late fees, damage to your credit score, and even debt collection efforts. It's important to carefully consider your financial situation before taking on debt. So, can you borrow money from Stash? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Stash is not a lending platform, and it doesn't offer loans. If you're in need of a loan, you'll need to explore other options, such as traditional banks, online lenders, or credit unions. Before borrowing money, be sure to carefully compare interest rates, fees, and eligibility requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.